Hey guys, today I want you to think about one thing that you could do that's either different from what you're doing now or adding to what you're doing now that could truly be life-changing for you. You got to put on your thinking caps to think about this. Mike Norris from Mike Norris Fit. I help men over 50 lose weight, get fit, get healthier so they can live a healthy lifestyle. So what am I talking about? Well, we all hear about walking 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps is no magical number. Yes, I know it was a marketing ploy, but it worked by a company in Japan to sell their tracker watch, their activity watches. But 10,000 steps kind of became a calling card. Everybody was doing 10,000 steps, and I can tell you 10,000 steps a day was life-changing for me. And 10,000 steps every day takes a little work. You got to put in a little effort. But you could do more things than walking 10,000 steps. Some of you, walking 10,000 steps would do you a lot of good. If you're only at 1,000 and you got to work up, whatever. But think about something you can do to improve your fitness, your health, or your mental well-being. One thing that I did like a year and a half, 2 years ago is I bought me a notebook, and every day I wrote down 10 ideas. 10 ideas. At first it's really easy, but just sit down in a quiet spot and write down 10 ideas. You could write down 10 ideas today for things that you could do that could be life-changing to your fitness, health, mental well-being. And then pick one of them and go after it. Don't try to do all 10, pick one of them. That's one thing you could really do, is sit down and write down 10 ideas and come up with something that you could do. It could be something you could start doing. It could be something as simple as, if you're new to fitness, it could be something like doing 20 air squats a day and 20 push-ups a day. I don't care if you got to do them on your knees, air squat where you sit down in a chair, go back up. It doesn't really matter what it is. Something that you'll start, that you'll do every day. That generally means that you have to do it around the same time every day. That's why ones of us who go to the gym, we can't always go at the same time, but we pretty much try to go to the gym at the same time. People who love to run, when I used to be a big runner 30 years ago, 40 years ago, I always ran at about the same time. It makes it a whole lot easier if we doing something at the same time. We get prepared for it. We know what we have to have. But I would like for you guys to put in the comments your ideas. What's that one thing that you could do that could be life-changing? If you've already got it, you know what it is. And I mean something different than what you're doing right now, or adding to what you're doing right now. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody. I'm sure there's a lot of people that could use this. Write down 10 ideas. You write down 10 ideas every day. Do that for 30 days. You'll have a notebook full of ideas of things to do with your life. I wrote down like travel, different places. I put specific places I wanted to go to. Matter of fact, that list got up to about 50, and I'm still working through that list. But that's just a really good one that can work the brain. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Let me know your ideas, and I'll talk to you later.